radiate, boundless love towards the entire world. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Conquer anger with non-anger. Conquer badness with goodness. Conquer meanness with generosity. Conquer dishonesty with truth. Those who cling to perceptions and views wander the world offending people. Drop by drop is the water pot filled, likewise the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. I will not look at another's ball, intent on finding fault, a training to be observed. Let none find fault with others, let none see the omissions and commissions of others, but let one see one's own acts, done and undone. May all beings have happy minds. Delight in heedfulness, guard well your thoughts. In whom there is no sympathy for living beings, know him as an outcast. Live with no sense of mind, not forming attachment to experiences. Resolutely train yourself to attain peace. The root of suffering is attachment. It is in the nature of things that joy arises in a person free from remorse. All experiences are preceded by mind, having mind as their master, created by mind. Purity and impurity depends on oneself. On what can purity another?